A steel-framed garage from General Steel gives you more versatility, more customization options, more durability, and more return on your investment. Compared to other building types, steel offers a range of benefits, including enhanced efficiency, a shorter construction timeline, no fire or termite risks, and a lower total cost of ownership. General Steel specializes in providing pre-engineered steel-framed workshop building kits that include everything needed to enclose your new structure. Nothing is left out. Every nut, bolt, connector, and accessory is shipped right to you. All you need to do is ensure the foundation is in place, and your contractor can take it from there. Want a specific size or style of door or windows? What about framed openings or your choice of exterior paint? It's all possible with a customizable steel workshop kit from General Steel. When it comes to the size of your new workshop, your only limit is your imagination. General Steel can provide you with steel-framed workshop building kits ranging in size from 20 feet by 20 feet all the way to 60 feet by 60 feet, with virtually every size in between. Regardless of which size you choose, you'll be getting a high-quality steel workshop with an uninterrupted interior that can be utilized for whatever purpose you might have in mind. Steel framing eliminates the need for support columns that clutter the otherwise usable workspace, which results in a better total value for you. Most workshops can be outfitted with roll-up vehicle doors to allow easy entry and exit of cars, trucks, trailers, and more. If you have a unique idea for a custom workshop design, let us know. We love working on special designs that result in purpose-built workshops, complete with everything needed to work efficiently for decades to come. A 20-foot by 20-foot workshop is a great option for use as a small agricultural building or utility structure. A 30-foot by 40-foot workshop is the ideal choice for a small auto garage with enough room to build in a partition for administration or fabrication. A larger 40-foot by 100-foot workshop delivers enough usable space for working on aircraft, boats, large-scale metalworking, machining, and more. Every General Steel workshop is covered by the industry's longest-lasting structural warranty, covering your building for 50 years. Throughout the design and construction phases of your project, you'll have access to a dedicated project coordinator who will be available to answer your questions, schedule deliveries, and ensure the total success of your building from start to finish. A durable, reliable, steel-framed workshop is in your future, and General Steel can help make it happen. Contact us today for a free quote.